Smoke alarm, kid.
Get up, stand by.
Carry. You ain't gonna carry nothing. All I hear is you complaining, oh, get online, get online, get online.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back home.
He's outside. He's broken. He ran outside, Ralph. Out back. Out back.
I was shooting at this other guy. Jumped out the window.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
This guy jumped out the fucking window again.
He like ran inside and got stopped up and took the armor shit to me.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Damn, I almost got him. He had load up, but I broke him.
Gas is moving.
Yeah, so the dude on prison already had load up.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Oh, brother. There's so many people.
I know. It's ugly.
Yeah, that's why I hate this area.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. We've got 10 squads active.
The specialist, get him, bro.
25 remain. Solid work so far.
He's a fucking skeleton. He's by Juan. Or Juan's in the store for anyway.
You're back on station. Go get after it. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Bounty contest. Updated intel on new target. Intercept and eliminate. Get ready. You're redeploying. Target eliminated. Excellent work. Additional target added.
Damn it. He was hiding in the fucking shed. Come on.
Hey, good job.
Resurging. Go get your revenge.
Whole team there.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh. Barely made it out.
What? Oh my god, I lagged.
Contract completed. Good work. Clear another target during contract timeline. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
I just killed that dude right that you were stepping on.
Perfect, I needed shit. I'm literally so fucked. I was running from 3 dudes right now. I wasn't able to get my loadout again.
Oh, there's dudes out here?
I knew they were fucking following me. Bastard. Yo, they chased me so far. Unbelievable. It's a Terminator guy. Annoying.
You're back on station.
Oh, the guy killed
Go
that
get
loadout.
after
Yeah,
him.
holy fuck. Nice. Perfect, perfect. Give me that, give me that.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Windows closed. Back to standard procedure.
Well, thank you.
Coming back up, Angel?
Oh, I hear a bunch of people on top of us, and I think my backpack's right here. Yep. Right here. Down the hall. Right.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
I'll just get my gun and run. Get my gun and run.
Fucking running.
Running scared because I killed the gun.
He's on my body. Oh, that's going nuts.
He's back.
He's dialed right now.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Point.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Enemy dropping into the AO.
I went in the wrong
Oh,
room.
he's in the.
There's 2 of them in
He was
there.
in your corner blending in. Holy fuck.
There's
He
2.
actually works.
They're right under Juan. 2 of them. 1 Ninja Turtle, 1 Terminator. I slid in trying to like go with Juan, and they're all right there about to rush in.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. Your squad mate
is
is
this your
redeploying. Well done. We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Yeah, shit.
here? Okay.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps.
Yeah, me too.
Orders are to hack contracts and secure cash payments. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Let me get my mic and you can get to work. Alright. Well, we gotta put stuff this way to get into the zone.
All I need is a mask, and I'll be okay.
I'll buy you back.
I got money, I'll go.
Okay.
I bought an extra mask for you, Juan.
Move to the safe zone.
I don't know if
Gas is closing in.
Where's ammo? Barely drop.
Hostile shooter. Find a weapon.
I think it's too late.
We gotta clean this tunnel to stay in the zone and be safe. We don't have too much time.
I think we can get it, huh?
Get to the safe zone.
Oh,
I think we can get it, huh?
Get to the safe zone.
oh,
You're losing ground. Move
he's
it.
trying. We gotta go up here though, you know. The run's gonna be fucking grim.
Enemy soldier incoming. Job's done. All available contracts hacked.
Done.
Oh shit. Fucking. Something went off.
Arming spring mine.
There's like a gas mine in here. Okay. Yeah, we're good here.
Safe zone is a long way from your location. Move like you mean it. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Back on your feet.
Yeah.
Down. Behind me.
They're coming inside.
Get down with my ball.
That's all right.
No!
Left in the war zone.
Oh, I didn't pull my parachute.
Got 4 remaining. Stay sharp.
Where the fuck?
They picked the wrong fire. Way to get it done.
Fucking exploded, bro. Shit, shit. Oh, you got the kid too. Nice. I was trying to see right at his ass.
It was perfect timing.
Bro, the exact same time, bro.
See, Han knows he misses, man.
Holy crazy.
I know.
Yeah, 12 kills. 11 kills, that makes sense. Shit. Angel, you got saved crazy by my mind.
Yeah, I don't even know what happened. I just felt that somebody was shooting at me and I just shot a dude.
He was shooting at you and then he stepped on my fucking shock charge and walked right into a mine and died in the gas.
I just heard his homie tell him like, "Oh, it's all right, bro. It's all right," or something. That was what the fuck happened. I didn't even aim at him. I was just running. Yeah, cause I was like, wow, they let me jump through the window. That was like fucking.
Wait,